What did you
Alright,
do?
people, it is day 11, and we are heading to Yosemite National Park.
No, Nate, it's Yellowstone.
It's not Yellowstone.
Yes, it is.
It's not Yellowstone, it's Yosemite. Yosemite.
Where's Yosemite at?
I have no idea. But, yeah, that's what we're doing. And this is the traffic. Yes! Bumper to bumper.
I love California.
Bumper to bumper traffic, people. That's the life. I love it.
Doesn't help my sleepiness.
Well, Bubba, you just need to wake it up.
Yeah, wake it up. Okay, Captain. Stand there and take pictures the whole time.
Hey, it's a rough life to live, and someone's got to do it. All right. So yeah, day 11, and we are traveling.
Casey is losing to Shane and Chaz.
Actually, you want to know what Shane has? He has a horse and a queen. I have a castle, a bishop, a queen.
You'll be dead in 3 minutes.
So it's just another life in the van. We're going from living in style to now
I don't like this part.
the camping.
Nobody likes to camp. I want hotels, showers.
Bubba doesn't. We're getting Bubba out of his comfort zone now. It's gonna be good.
No,
It's gonna be.
it's just to appease you people.
It's gonna be good for him.
You
So,
don't even like it.
I will love it.
No, you'll love it, but you don't love it. Huge difference. I will love it, but I don't love it. Yeah. This chick is
doesn't.
literally walking her dog on the road. What in the world?
This is why we do videos like
Your
this.
dog-
Yeah, just an interesting life on the driving to Yosemite. Have fun and hope you enjoy the video. Okay.
Life is a journey. Everyone has a journey. The people we meet, the places we go, and the things we do mold who we are. The journey began when 4 dreamers decided to use their talents and abilities to make a difference in the world. People always talk about what they wish they could do and the dreams that they have. You can sit back and watch it pass you by, or you can get up and go.
Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Click that subscribe button down below to watch more awesome videos.
Check out our website for sweet merch, blogs, and awesome content.
And if you're on social media, make sure that you're checking us out on Facebook and Instagram.
Like us, share us, wear us.
Journey signing off.